When it comes to pen blanks, there are no shortages of material to choose from. Domestic and exotic woods were the early favorites, but the spectrum now includes acrylics, stabilized woods, polyester resins, antlers, and more. Start with wood blanks. The material can be found as close as your scrap bin. Blank sizes vary, so review the instructions provided with the pen kit. The instructions will list the minimum blank size for the kit. 3/4 inches by 3/4 inches by 5 inches is a common size. A blank this size will provide enough material for 2 barrels of one pen. Don't worry if a pen blank is too large or too wide. This is never usually a problem, but don't cut the blank too short or narrow, as this may cause the project to fail. There are numerous sources for purchasing wood blanks in person or online, or simply cut your own. A table saw or bandsaw works perfectly to rip wider stock to width. Usually the denser the wood, the better. Also, make sure the wood has a minimum amount of moisture. Less than 8% moisture is ideal. If the wood has more than 8% moisture, the barrel may crack after the pen is made. Stabilized woods are woods that have been impregnated with a resin to prevent the blank and finished product from expanding and contracting with moisture levels in the air. The wood stabilizing process makes using beautiful yet punky wood possible for pen turning. Stabilizing enhances the figure of the blank, and dyes are often added during the stabilization process to create vibrant colors. Another common material used to make custom pens is a type of plastic called acrylic. There are many compositions of plastics, and the term acrylics is a catch-all to cover a wide variety of common pen blanks, such as acrylic acetate and polyesters. Acrylics are hard, polish well, and generally resistant to staining. Keep in mind, the blanks are the heart and soul of a turned pen. Choose blanks carefully, avoid bland wood, and don't be afraid to try some of the many fascinating products out there.